The role of technology in modern education. Technology has become an integral part of modern education, transforming the way we teach and learn. The integration of digital tools and resources in educational settings offers numerous benefits, enhancing both the accessibility and quality of education. One of the most significant advantages of technology in education is its ability to provide personalized learning experiences. Digital platforms and software can adapt to individual learning styles and paces, offering customized content and assessments. This personalization helps students grasp complex concepts more effectively and keeps them engaged in the learning process. Furthermore, technology expands access to education. Online courses and educational resources make learning opportunities available to people regardless of their geographic location. This is particularly beneficial for students in remote or underserved areas who may not have access to quality educational institutions. Additionally, technology facilitates lifelong learning, allowing individuals to acquire new skills and knowledge at any stage of their lives. Collaboration and communication are also enhanced by technology. Tools such as video conferencing, collaborative documents, and learning management system enable students and teachers to interact and work together more efficiently, both inside and outside the classroom. These tools support a more interactive and engaging learning environment, fostering better understanding and retention of information. Moreover, technology prepares students for the digital world. In an increasingly digital and interconnected global economy, proficiency with technology is a critical skill. By integrating technology into education, students gain hands on experience with tools and platforms that are essential in the modern workplace, making them more competitive in the job market. In conclusion, technology plays a pivotal role in modern education, offering numerous benefits that enhance the learning experience. By providing personalized learning, expanding access to education, facilitating collaboration, and preparing students for the digital world, technology is helping to create a more effective and inclusive educational system. Embracing these technological advancements is crucial for preparing students to succeed in an ever evolving global landscape. Thank you.